Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button. Like, comment, share. What's the difference? Supplies are items you use up or consume. Supplies are not tools and they're not gear. For example, food is a survival supply, while a knife is survival gear. This list will also only cover survival gear that's portable. To be 100% confident you've got everything you need for a survival emergency. However, this survival gear list will only cover gear and not supplies. That's why we created the complete survival gear list. It's a list to start, track and grow your survival tools and equipment. A list to help you build your complete survival arsenal. How can you be absolutely certain you have all the critical gear you need for survival? To be confident there are no more survival items left to acquire. You can't, unless you have the complete survival gear list. An extensive list to ensure you don't overlook any life-saving gear. While it's unlikely anyone forgets a survival knife, there's lesser-known survival gear you've likely overlooked.
Knife for outdoors and bushcrafting. The Holtzman Silverback. This high-quality knife is ergonomically designed with a G10 handle for superior grip and longevity. The handle consists of a finger guard that keeps the fingers safely behind the cutting edge. The overall length of the fixed blade knife measures 8.5 inches long, consisting of a full tang 4-inch drop point blade. The razor-sharp blade is constructed from a slab of D2 steel that runs the full length of the knife and is heat-treated to perfection to ensure superior strength without becoming brittle. Has the extra security of a removable leather strap. The knife has an adjustable belt clip with adjustable spacers, allowing it to fit belts and straps of various sizes. The belt clip can be flipped 90 degrees to enable different carry options with the included Allen wrench. The belt clip also is spring-loaded and has a locking feature. The sheath includes 2 attachments. One attachment is designed to hold the scraper, the other attachment is for holding the ferro rod. Both of these attachments can be removed with the included Allen wrench. The ferro rod has an overall length of over 3.5 inches with a matching G10 handle. The scraper has a perfect blend of steel and is heat treated to perfection to produce sparks of high intensity with every use. The scraper includes a 90-degree edge on every side, enabling all edges to be used as well as for ambidextrous use. It also comes with a matching G10 handle. This set also includes strong 550 paracord, which can be added to the handles of the knife and accessories. Additionally, the paracord can be used to create a lanyard for the ferro rod and scraper. This set comes nicely packaged in a genuine quality gift box and is perfect for the holidays, birthdays, or as a treat for yourself.
Hi there, my name is Scott, and today we're talking about the emergency Bivvy in OD Green. If you're caught outdoors in the cold, count on the SOL emergency Bivvy to keep you warm and dry. This durable Bivvy reflects 90% of your body heat back to you, and the sealed seams protect you from wind, rain, and snow. The stuffed sack includes a survival whistle and tender core drawstring. Expose the wax cotton core of the drawstring to use as dependable tinder. With this Bivvy, you'll be prepared with a personal emergency shelter that saves lives in the harshest outdoor conditions.
The U-PAK Pro by Instinct Ready. The most versatile, practical, and functional 72-hour survival system available. Whether you are fleeing a disaster or going on a weekend adventure, the U-PAK Pro is stocked with life-saving gear to sustain you. Featuring a convenient internal storage system to keep your gear organized and accessible. Maintain peak hydration performance with emergency water, water filter, water bottle, and hydration bladder. Stay energized with delicious non-GMO and nut-free food rations and a portable lightweight cooking kit. The U-PAK Pro introduces an industry-leading shelter and warmth solution, allowing you to not just survive, but thrive. Unique to the U-PAK Pro is a custom storage cube for your clothing, including recommendations of what to pack. Stay clean, fresh, and comfortable with daily toiletries. During harsh conditions, you can breathe easy and see clearly with the N95 mask and safety goggles. When an unexpected medical emergency arises, the first aid kit is accessible and ready to go. Improvise, adapt, and overcome changing circumstances with a variety of tools to light and find your way. Stay informed and keep charged. And while other bags focus only on starting a fire, we help you keep it fueled with our foldable handsaw. When on the run, your gear is only as good as the bag it's in, which is why we focused on such a high-quality, durable backpack. The sturdy, water-resistant fabric will hold up when you need it the most. The laser-cut MOLLE webbing system gives you the versatility to attach additional gear to the outside of the bag. Though often overlooked with other systems, the U-PAK Pro provides a spacious and roomy interior, ensuring sufficient space for additional items you want, giving you a truly customizable and personal experience. The padded shoulder and included hip straps help evenly distribute weight, allowing for increased comfort and stability. The U-PAK Pro was designed for survival, but to maximize your value, it is ideal for everyday adventure too.
Being prepared means having the right tools in your toolbox. Sadly, not all fire starters have that special spark. With a durable paracord handle, robust striker, integrated whistle, and a few survival hacks, making fires just got a lot easier. Try adding duct tape to your rod. This ensures a better grip and extra survival tape for future use. Remove the black coating from the rod before striking. Then, by adding a small heap of shavings in a pile, you ensure a flash-like ignition. This rod can also be used with different strikers if needed. Like a survival knife, but always make sure to use the back of the blade. Or try a hatchet or axe to create a large pool of sparks. You could even use the back blade of the trauma shears that comes with our first aid kits. Now that we have sparks, what materials can be used for an easy fire? Having dry kindling is key. But if you don't have any, a bit of petroleum jelly goes a long way and has many different uses. Fat wood is great to start a fire, and thicker pieces will help to keep it going. Taking your bushcraft skills to the next level takes time and practice. The better you get, the closer you'll be to warmth and comfort.
Platypus QuickDraw Microfilter System. Out of the box, the filter cartridge requires no assembly. Its component parts are the cartridge, the dirty side cover, and the attached clean side cap. That's it. The QuickDraw's 0.2 micron hollow fiber cartridge removes 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa from backcountry water in accordance with the NSF P231 protocols. It does so with a flow rate of up to 3 liters a minute or a liter in about 20 seconds. Moving to the outside, the overmold on the cartridge is made of a thermoplastic elastomer or TPE. TPE is soft to the touch and grippy even when wet without being sticky. So it won't pick up dirt and it easily slides in and out of pockets in a pack. As we surveyed the market, the need for a quality dirty side cap became apparent. We designed a cap that creates a reliable seal and is durable enough to withstand constant use without adding unnecessary weight. By preventing any seepage, it ensures dirty water cannot contaminate the clean side or other belongings. We took the sturdy flip-to-open cap design from our duo-lock bottle and put it on the QuickDraw. The cap shuts securely to prevent dirt and grime from getting on the spout and flips open for easy filtering and drinking access. Plus, you won't lose it. The spout design was informed by our deep experience in the bottle category, as well as our experience in high-capacity group filtration. The spout's optimized for drinking directly from the filter without sacrificing performance when sharing the filter with others. In the real world, personal filters are often used to meet group needs. The spout is sized to comfortably nest in the popular bottles like Smart Water or Evian and creates a directional flow for filtering into wider mouth reservoirs. For the QuickDraw reservoir, we did what we do best, taste-free and durable water storage. It's made of our proprietary tri-layer film that uses a rugged thermoplastic polyurethane outer layer and a taste-free polyethylene inner layer. Nobody else in the personal filter category offers a taste-free and durable reservoir. The QuickDraw reservoir will stand up to daily use for the duration of any long trip. 6 months northbound on the Pacific Crest Trail, no problem. Found the freshest runoff stream in the Dolomites? Taste it the way nature intended without any risk. A huge factor in the user experience of a personal filter is the act of collecting water. Today, personal filters often result in wet hands and dirty reservoirs are hard to fill. Not so with a QuickDraw. We started by putting an extra wide mouth on the reservoir to make it much easier to fill than the leading competition. We also added a convenient handle so users can securely fill a reservoir without getting their hands wet. Whether the water source is flowing or stagnant, it's easy to quickly fill the QuickDraw without getting wet. All right, let's talk weight. The filter plus reservoir system weighs just 3.6 ounces or 101 grams. The filter alone weighs just 2.2 ounces or 61 grams. To filter water, begin by filling up the 1 liter capacity QuickDraw reservoir. Thread the dirty side of the filter cartridge into the reservoir. Once connected, invert the system, position the spout over your clean reservoir and squeeze. You can roll the top down like a dry bag or mash the reservoir to let out a little personal tension. Either method will get you 1 liter of clean water in about 20 seconds. It's about as easy as backcountry water filtration gets. To make it even easier, we designed the filter cartridge so that it's compatible with multiple bottle types. Aside from the QuickDraw reservoir, users will be able to attach it to the Platy soft bottles, the Platy 2 liter, the Platy water tanks, and Platy hosers. We know smart water bottles are a popular ultralight choice on the North American long distance through hikes, so go ahead and attach a smart water bottle to the QuickDraw as well for the same results. The ultralight community loves versatility. Bringing gear that it can accomplish more than one essential function cuts pack weight. The QuickDraw's ability to adapt to pre-existing bottles will eliminate excess for many users. In addition, drinking from its ergonomic drink spout can eliminate the need for a clean reservoir altogether. We were adamant about a simple, functional process that can be repeatedly performed in challenging conditions. To clean the filter and restore higher flow rates, you simply fill your reservoir about a quarter of the way full, attach the filter, and shake it for 30 seconds. On-the-go filtration demands quick access and storage. Rolling up the filter cartridge in the reservoir creates a compact package that easily slides into external pockets on backpacks or fits in a small nook of space inside a pack.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.